Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, happy new all-time high, they say. Yeah, indeed. We just made a new all-time high on Bitcoin, which is nice. Morning Connection, morning Shogun. Hey Megido, hey Andrei, hey Noure, hey Harry, hey Adela, hey Bukur, Hania, Darren. Well, the same people every time. I cannot complain about that. Let's start with Bitcoin on CME. We made a new high here. We are getting back below that high. Yeah. And when we look at this OBV, what do we see? If we don't pump higher to remove this one, then we have a problem. Similar on RSI. Everyone is bullish. Everyone is happy camper now. I don't like what I see here. For the moment, just potential, but it's there. It's something. It's daily. Morning, Alex. So, maybe it's not the best idea to join the crowd and say to the moon, to the moon, to the moon without any setup. We have a gap here, and that gap should provide us with something. But I don't know. I'm just not feeling confident here to yell to the moon. Tomorrow we have Trump and Putin meet. Doesn't matter what will come out. We'll probably have a retracement, a pump and dump, something like that. Yeah. Everyone says, well, if the war will continue, we'll dump. Well, war is good for markets. It's not good for people. That's for sure. People are dying in wars. But for business, yeah, for their business is damn good. So, extra careful here. At least until next week. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will develop. I don't like the idea of chasing here. Yeah, we made a new all-time high. Let's be happy about it. Some news will start talking about them. And some smart people will take some profit there. Yeah. Someone said early in this week that some people are, they saw a movement Ethereum in exchanges. Why do you think is that? We are getting close to the old all-time high. Some people want to book their profit. That's simple. You didn't sleep in the morning and you took the short from the top. Yeah, I know. Welcome back, Bukur. Welcome back. Yeah. Unfortunately, Bukur, I missed the trade. We'll talk about that real SFU in a couple of minutes. Okay, so careful here. This candle is not closed. We can close at 135 even. I don't know. Let's wait and see what will happen. But I don't like what I see on OBV and RSI. Both of them are telling us, well, slow down. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, exactly, Alex. Probably we can hunt on Ethereum also. On a real SFU, a real move. Classic charting similar. We took the high. Okay, the target overall it's 135 and higher, but we should not think long exactly here. Let's wait a little bit. I'm not saying that I'm bearish, people, don't get me wrong. I'm bullish. I want and I think we can push higher. But in the same time, let's look at the indicators. We are using TA to trade and invest. Well, look at this OBV. You like it? On Bitstamp? Bitstamp is mostly spot. Or only spot. Yams and bearish divergence on OBV. Yams and bearish divergence on RSI. Let's look at the other one, at the index. Similar. So it's not just Bitstamp, it's not just CME. Everywhere you can see the same thing. We can have a blow off top with all the divergence I'm talking about, yes. We'll see in September what will happen. So let's take a look at Ethereum. Similar. Ethereum is trying to take this high. Some liquidity hidden there. Yes, a lot of it. You can see if you take this AB equals CD, the original one, yeah, AB, CD, and if you clone this one and you put it here from the low, well, on the dot on the all-time high. Is that a coincidence? Probably not. We should fuck around here? No. We should wait on the sidelines. If you really want, you can hunt an SFU. You can hunt a short idea here, but to chase here or to long here, I don't think it's good. We had with Holy Grail, we had some long trades. We have Ethereum everywhere. We bought it below 2000. It's enough. Let's be careful here. But I know, as I was speaking about buying Ethereum below 2000, some people didn't listen. Similar things will happen here. Yeah, some people will not listen. Will say, well, a new high, well, we'll go straight to the moon. Then if you do that, it's your business. I'm not a financial advisor anyway, so you can do whatever you want with your own money. Feel free to spend it. Market will appreciate you. So extra careful here. You don't hear any bad news about Ethereum. Everyone is talking bullish about Ethereum. Everyone. Their mothers, their girlfriends, their kids are talking bullish about Ethereum. And nobody was talking bullish about Ethereum here. Imagine, remember what happened here and imagine what will happen here. I don't want to break the party, people, but that's how the market are working. Look, okay, OBV here, no. OBV is strong, it's still strong on, but look at the RSI. You see something, you see the original M, you see the breakdown, you see the retest, you see this high and lower high with a clear divergence here. Yeah, this divergence is too big, we need to accept below 50% to confirm the divergence. I get that, but still a warning sign. Anyway, I'm talking too much about the same thing. Let's take a look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and here we have random levels. We respected this level, we'll push higher, like a blow off top to the trend line, possible. Extra careful here. I will not touch a chart that looks like this. It's too strong, too short, and it's too toppy to even look at a long. We need a retracement, like I said on VIP in the morning. We need a retracement. When a violent retracement or any kind of retracement will happen, people will panic again. And when they'll panic, well, we'll try to buy. Bitcoin dominance is pointing out in the long reload zone AB equals CD, random levels, you know, yeah, YAMs and random levels. I think 57 is a good area to look at as a target. That means some shitcoins will still pump, seeing the dominance going down. Some shitcoins will pump, and if they'll pump, we can chase them with Holy Grail. We have a lot of spot bags, people. Doesn't matter if we don't have a scalp or a day trade today in the market. We should have some spot bags. Even people that they joined only VIP. Stefan posted some swing trades, some position trades there. Just enjoy those ones. Everyone should have their bags full, because if you are here, we spoke about buy low, sell half on a double or dollar cost average from 2 years ago. So if you don't have a trade today or you don't have a trade tomorrow, don't complain. Wait, setups will be here all day long. This environment is for investors to make money. If you bought when you should, or you buy now because it's still an acceptable environment, you can make a lot of money. And I'll repeat, I have 80% of my crypto money in spot, investments and spot. Only 20% I use for trading. Okay, let's take a look at yes. Strong. Look at it. Railroad tracks, new high, pushing higher in the top here. Will be hard to short something like this. Everyone is bullish, like everyone was bearish here, but when you see everyone on the same side of the trade, you have to ask one single question. Who the fuck is left to buy? When you see everyone, well, it's strong, we are happy. Nobody is celebrating or is talking about, well, look how strong it is if you didn't bought already. So if you see everyone enjoying themselves and be happy about their investments, about their stocks, about their longs, that question comes in mind. Who the fuck is left to buy? If nobody buys anymore, guess what will happen? Could push higher? Yeah, we still have some room here to the top of this channel. But in my humble opinion, this channel will be respected. If we'll accept above, okay, but we'll respect this top of the channel. Gold, well, it's a kind of a stable coin lately, but range, symmetrical triangle, at some point in time, probably something will happen, I don't know, good or bad, and we'll have a dark maul to wipe all the liquidity here up and down. It's like you can see it coming here. Yeah? Liquidity above, liquidity below. They just need a reason to do a dark maul and clean everything up. Simple as that. Silver, still there, nothing special. We closed the second day above this high. Yeah? We closed the second day above the all-time high. We are pushing higher. Everything looks bullish. At least on total market cap. But when everything looks bullish, we should chase here this candle kind of idea. Or should wait for a retracement. How you can make money in an uptrend. Morning Andrea, morning David, morning people. Huh? How you make money in an uptrend? That's the question. Because clearly we are in a bullish environment. Clearly we are pushing higher on higher time frame. But how you make money in an uptrend? Buying the top, the local top, or waiting for a retracement to enter in the trend? Yeah. Alex is saying the best opportunity is long reload zone from the last move. Sometimes the market is so strong that you don't get reload zone, long reload zone. You get pump chaser zone. In the last stages, you'll see pump chaser zone will be a thing. You will not see the long reload zone for a short period of time. Yeah. Wait for a retracement. Exactly, Manas. Morning. Exactly. Holy Grail is using the same concept. Yeah. Wait for a retracement. You don't get an entry with Holy Grail at the top. You get a entry with Holy Grail touching a ATR level smaller than the stop loss. Huh? You just enter a retracement. You make money if you get a late entry. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Unfortunately, you get out from Crypto Traders Arena if you speak about or you do late entries. Yeah. Well, that's the idea. We are in a bullish environment, but don't be the public buying the top candle. Wait for a retracement. At any point in time, people, remember about bull markets in crypto. At any point in time, Bitcoin or any shitcoins could do to 20 to 30% retracement, and it's healthy. It's normal. Remember last cycles, old people who have experience, what 30% retracement did for Bitcoin. If you don't know, go back. The chart is still there and check the charts. Compare the charts. Look what happened with Bitcoin, 20-30% retracement, and look what happened with shitcoins, and if that was an opportunity or not. Bull markets tend to be violent. A 30% retracement will scare everyone. Will reset a little bit the chart. But that's the best entry, people. We see now 20, 30% retracement. No, everyone is bullish. And could push higher? Of course it can. But will lead to that 30% retracement. Nobody will be left to buy. They will reset the chart, clean everything up, gather all the fees, say thank you to us because, okay, we are stupid, and then repeat the process. Yeah, market is strong, Florin, but market is not stupid yet. Will become stupid soon enough. Huh? But when market becomes stupid, it's our time to get out. Huh? When you see the market getting stupid, when you see taxi driver telling you what's the best altcoin you can buy, and that's a fart coin or something, I don't know. It's time to, well, let's see how deep I'm in profit. Let's book some profit. Let's do something. Signs will be there, like we have now on Bitcoin here. Yeah, signs will be there, but nobody wants to see them. Nobody is looking. Well, we have some divergence. Nah, fuck divergence. They don't work. We don't need them. To the moon. Okay, once, twice, the third time or whatever. They will get punished. Total 3. Almost, people, almost to the level. We're close. Seems like we want to fight that level, accept above. Let's see the daily candle closing above. OBV is damn strong. Look at this, is a nice OBV. Look at it. So altcoins look better than Bitcoin now in total. Huh? Look at this. Total 3. Look at the OBV. Daily chart. Look at this OBV and look at Bitcoin OBV. You see something different? If you are an investor, you should try to follow the P cycle. If you are a trader, yeah, you should book some profit when you see the market getting stupid every time. Anyway, altcoins still forming the bottom at the same level. On altcoins, I think the best view is on weekly, people. You like it or not, I think this is the view you want to see on altcoins. If you are an investor, don't zoom in, zoom out. You'll say, well, this is buyable. Okay. This is buyable. Okay. This is not buyable. Next one. DYDX. Well, this is buyable. This one. And you filter altcoins on weekly chart. Okay. If you see weekly W's, breakout and retest, you just go and buy a little bit. And put your hands under your ass and wait. But decide that you want to do that because it will be damn tempting to zoom in and sell after a 10% or 100% pump. If you are an investor, you want to maximize. You want to buy here and you want to sell close to the top. Candle body highs kind of idea. A lot of reward is waiting for us, people. But I'm telling you from now, and old people know, it will not be easy to hold. If you don't have a plan, if you are not able to respect that plan, if you invested too much, you didn't listen and you put too much money there, you'll not be able to hold. So don't be greedy and say, well, I'll buy a big quantity because I want to buy a Lambo. Okay. But you have to change your mind also. That's hard to do. So it's better to put a little bit, sell half on a double, keep the free money, and wait closer to the top. You'll make more money. And you'll be happy on the road. Just my 2 cents, people. Okay. Shitcoins are looking similar. You can see here, nothing special. This one is pumping, but you should not chase. You should wait for a retest. Who bets that this one will retest this weekly W? Indeed, now we have a weekly W. We should chase here? No, we should wait a retest. Could this retest on lower time frame go back down lower? Yes. If you are an investor, you care about that? No. You take the neckline, you live with the results, and that's it. We have reward here? Yeah, look at it. We have potential here? I think we have some potential. Buying that weekly W retest. People, you don't need to stay on 5-minute chart. It's dangerous. It's not for everyone. 95, 96, 98% of people are better staying on weekly chart on shitcoins. Everyone wants to be a scalper. Up to you. Well, we have a trade here. We are in profit. I posted, I spoke about it. You should be risk-free here. Similar here. There you go. Daily W, breakout, retest. We have even had a retest here. So, let's go on lower time frame and speak about what we can do on daily. That's my new view, my new template for Bitcoin. We had the SFU of the Monday high. That was a trap. They pushed higher. The all-time high was too damn close. So I took the stop loss, and of course I missed the real SFU here. Of course, wasn't too early in the morning for me, and Paul is too lazy to wake up and make a setup. Look at it. You saw that Bukur is saying, well, I took it. Good for you. Now, on this template on 1 hour, what I can do? Well, I could wait for pump chaser zone here. Retest of this level. I cannot chase here. What will happen, but I'm not able to chase here. You accept it back in the range, Monday range. It's better for me to wait for the lows. I still have, as you can see, I still have this order in the market. Nothing changed. I'm okay with keeping that one. Okay. Welcome back, Bukur. Welcome back. That's all I'll say. Welcome back. So, I'll wait in the pump chaser zone. Probably, pump chaser zone will give us something. If not, we have long reload zone, which is the best location. If the market will reach there, that's the question. So that's my view on Bitcoin. I still have this one, and I'll wait in the pump chaser zone for a potential W. SFU is pretty close there. If not, long reload zone. If the market will push higher, I'll just adjust my fibs. I cannot chase here. Ethereum is pushing. It's pushing, is strong, but is with bearish divergence everywhere. I think all-time high is somewhere in here. Let's put a daily chart. Let's see where the all-time a bit higher. That's like a magnet to take that liquid. You can see we stopped here and $100 higher. Let's go back on 1 hour. So it's like a magnet. In the same time, let's assume something. Let's assume something. You are a Ethereum whale. Where you'll put your limit orders to sell? Guys who said, well, I have too much Ethereum, I want to sell some. Where do you put it? Above the all-time high or below the all-time high? Why do you think the price is fighting here? What do you think they are doing here? They bought the bottom. Remember, a lot of Ethereum was bought below 2000. What do you think they are doing here? And those guys, another question you have to ask yourself. Well, those guys are like us. They are betting on 10x, 100x calls, or they are okay with doubling their money. If you have, let's say you have 100 million and you double your money, you want 100x on your investment, or you say, well, I made 100 million. Okay, thank you. And if you do that, where you'll put your order? Above or below? That's why the price is fighting so hard here. Someone is selling. Maybe he's selling to buy lower. Maybe he's selling to get in cash and live his life. I don't know. He made some money. That's what matters for an investor. Okay? Just think about it. It's that simple. And you see here, well, some bearish divergence on OBV, some bearish divergence on RSI. What's happening? Indicators are telling us, don't be stupid and chase here. If you are a scalper, you can chase here. Of course, you can take Holy Grail, bet that the bulls will win and will be more buying pressure than selling pressure. Will take the high, will be an SFU, you take your profit, enjoy life. But if you are not a scalper, if you don't have Holy Grail, if you don't know exactly what you're doing, it's damn dangerous to do anything here. More than welcome, Bukur. Random levels and a lot of luck. It's all we need to make money, Bukur, no? And to wake up early in the morning. That's the first condition. Okay, so that's Ethereum here, pushing. It's pushing. It wants to take this. Too much liquidity there. Too many stop losses, actually. Okay, so Ethereum, Bitcoin, we talked about them. Let's zoom out on 4-hour chart now. The rest of shitcoins are better on 4-hour. We took the high. What we think, people? Okay, it's 218. Okay, it's pushing higher. But what we think above when we are exiting the range, breakout or fake out here is strong, but also remember A, B, C, D got completed here, exactly at the all-time high. What is next is kind of a fake out for the moment. We need any kind of retracement. This was the retracement last time. You see any here? No, don't chase Solana here. If you are long, okay, enjoy yourself. If you're using Holy Grail, enjoy yourself. But if you want to, I don't know, swing trade, even day trade, wait for something like this, for a pump chaser zone at least. Okay? And you can clone this one. You say, well, fuck it. Let's just clone this one. There you go. Yeah, if we'll push higher, you just adjust this one. I'll probably do something like this. And the pump chaser zone will be here. We'll take 200 as a support. Something like that. I don't know exactly. We'll have to wait. For the moment, it's here. And even now, if you look left, we have some confluence. If we'll dump here and we'll see a small W, you can take it. But please don't be the last one to buy. Because this is a breakout. And I buy breakouts. And you donate money to the market. Tau, lagging. You can see W breakout retest. Now we have an EM forming here. 4-hour chart, EM. Trump put in tomorrow. Nah, not the best idea to chase. Similar here. TI is fighting $2. Last time won the fight and then lost the fight again. And now we are taking it, we are testing as a resistance again. Not the best area where we can do something. And you can see AB equals CD got completed here on lower time frame. 4-hour is there. ENA. Yeah, okay. ENA is the best. ENA is the strongest. ENA is everything. But ENA also has a 4-hour EM here. So please don't chase. People, how I could say it better to understand. Please don't chase. It's up to you, people. SSV, similar. It's at least it's going sideways here. Don't chase here. I took this trade, but I also, if I didn't have this trade, I'll take a W here, a retest. Hype is stronger than the rest, but is still in the range. Accepted above this level. 45 is trying to push higher. Will manage to get an entry? Meh, I don't know. This one could explode at any point in time or could dump back down here at any point in time. Is the best one to trade? No. If you invested like us at $10, you enjoy life and you say, well, I'm the best. Manas, you have to understand, if you try to chat with me in the chat, I cannot do that because I'm trying to present something, to put my ideas out there. So if you post a lot of messages, I'll not be able to read them. Okay, so portal, well, if we'll come back down here, is lagging. After a pump and a dump, usually follows a long consolidation and we'll have a lot of time to buy some. Alt, similar, a bit stronger for the moment, but I really want to buy here to chase. I don't see a 4-hour trade here. Back in the long reload zone, maybe. So, Ton is still fighting, top of the range. Chase here now, $3. Every time you see $3, it's still, you can see it's at 78.6. It's still dollar cost average. Okay, to dollar cost average. You can use little old lady, okay, but as a trader, you don't want to touch this one here. Dex screener coins. Some of them are pumping, some of them are not pumping. But some of them, they have good levels on daily chart. Yeah. We took yesterday. Where the fuck is that? We should be risk free on this one, people. Yeah. Someone, I don't remember exactly. I said yesterday. Someone posted about this. We bought kind of, I don't know, 50k market cap. We sold half on a double. We are risk free. If this one will go to zero, so what? If you buy just a little bit like me, you don't care. You don't sell half on a double. You just will succeed or will die. But it's the best approach is to buy as low as possible, sell half on a double. Is this one will succeed? Probably not. So probably is not a good idea to even touch it. And we had another one, but I don't find it now. Anyway, shitcoins are pumping, kind of. This one is deep in profit. Will hit my target after all? Probably at some point in time. I'm risk free already, so I don't care. I'm alone? With such a big community, I'm not alone. Okay. Twitter, posting tweets. Nothing special here. It's dangerous to play the market now because we are closer to Trump and Putin meet. Yes. At any point in time, we can dump or pump like crazy without any reason, people. Everyone in the community is AI agents? No, sorry. I don't believe that. At least some of you are real. You, Alex Dalmoody. I know you before the AI agents were a thing. So, is dangerous to play here? Yes. We can still scalp a little bit? Also, yes. But I prefer to wait. I don't know what I could do in this session, in the London session. I'll go and, I don't know, try to find some setups. Probably Holy Grail on some shitcoins, some strong shitcoins, but nothing else. Yeah. Well, people, I appreciate that the consistent ones, the old ones are still here. Huh? New people, they have to find out what we do, if we are providing quality. When they see me saying, well, slow down, huh? What the fuck is this? Everyone is bullish and this guy is telling me to slow down. This guy is telling me to buy the dip. What dip? Everything is pumping. This guy is stupid. And they leave. Or they don't listen anymore. They'll come back when they will see the dip. And they'll see that we bought. But that's a different story. Usually, new guys, the public, wants to hear everything is nice, everything is clear. You'll buy a Lambo tomorrow. Just give me your fees. Just give me your subscription. Everything is okay. Please hold on one more month. You still have some money? Okay. Give it to me. That's the way they do it. When you hear someone, well, slow down, it's not a good idea to chase here. That's stupid. Nah, I don't follow a guy like this. Well, use it, man, as I have my tools, man. So it's up to us to succeed in this market. Some of the new guys, yeah, they'll join us. They'll become traders and maybe even better than us. But most of them, they are just victims in this cycle. And we have to understand that. And we have to be okay with that. Even some of our friends will be victims for this cycle. And nothing we can do about it. That's the problem. Exactly. Red and green. Exactly. Yeah, some of our friends will be victims for this cycle, will enjoy their money, we like it or not. That's the game. Learn to play the game or don't play the game. You have two options. Yeah, when you play a game and you see that you are losing, you can stop. You can say, well, I'm not playing that game. Or you can learn to play it. To keep playing without knowing, not a wise decision. Sorry. Okay, let's call it a live stream, people. It's between us, it's unlisted, not for public. Only Crypto Traders Arena members have access, including public, including general members. Yeah, we usually post for everyone, but not for the public. YouTube cannot promote this video. We don't have a link for the public. Unlisted. So I could express myself a little bit better when the video is unlisted without getting banned or I don't know, punished by YouTube. I don't care for myself too much, but I'll not be able to live stream for the Crypto Traders Arena, and I want to be able to do that. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. See you later, New York session or even London session. Today, announcement today, and New York session, I don't know if I'll make it. That's the problem, but hopefully I'll be able to join at least one part of it. Yeah, I don't know when I'll be able to get back home. It's not up to me. And I don't have Stefan to replace me, so I don't have a solution, unfortunately. Okay, people. See you later. Bye-bye.